Maraming salamat sa pagdalo nyo sa gawin ito. Thank you for coming tonight. Although I have talked to Mami Corinne a while ago, while we are going here, and I'm very thankful. Why? Because they traveled so miles away just to see us here. Our family, my side, my family, and my wife's family. Don't speak in Tagalog, in English, huh? You know, I'm very thankful, because Kyle really loves my God. You will also know, see? And Mami Corinne went here to see us all. See? Ngayon. In English now. It is the time. I will love you. Is everybody happy? Yes! So do I. I'm also happy. Thank you for coming tonight. Mami Corinne, thank you. Guys, thank you. And good evening. Oh, my wife has something to say. Hey, Cody, come here. Cody, come here. Cody, come here. Please. Just a short talk. Just a short talk. Please. Please. See? All I have on is one foot. My wife is asking me.
I just want to thank everybody for coming. And I just want to welcome Kyle and Mami Corinne to the family. I know you're going to take care of Tita and Claire. I just hope when you come again, there'll be another Claire or another baby Kyle. I just want to ask to take care of my first child and my first grandchild.
Very well said, sir. Very well said, sir. Okay.